So here is how to build a WhatsApp broadcast list. And building a WhatsApp broadcast list actually has some advantages. So for instance, you can actually use it for in place of something like email listing. If you want to build email listing, WhatsApp broadcast list is also an alternative, and you can use it to send something like an alert. It could be a course alert. If you have a course that you just released, you can alert your customers on it, or they bought something from you and you have the packaging done. You can actually alert them using something like broadcast list. Okay, so to build it is really very simple. Without wasting much time, let's do that right now. And I'm going to do that with that of the WhatsApp business. So let me open up my WhatsApp business right here. And once that is actually open, we can actually go to these three dots that we have up here right now. And we can, if you check this list, you see a place where we have new broadcast. I'm going to click on that. It will open up right here. And if you take a look at up here, sorry about this, if you take a look at the top of this particular place, you're going to see where they wrote something like 0 of 256, meaning that a broadcast list can actually contain only 256 persons. Okay, so and I want to create that right now. Let me add like 3 persons on this. I don't want to select that particular person. Let me take this, take let's say 3 persons to just be able to create this. So I have 3 persons selected, but you can add more. You can add up to that 256 if you want. So what I want to do is to just save this, that I have just this new broadcast list right now, by clicking on this check mark that we have in here. So I'm going to click on that, and you notice that that has been actually been created. So this is the list of the people that you already have in that particular place. We have the counter right here, which is just 3. Okay, so if you send a message right here, right now all of these people that have been added into this place are going to receive that particular message. But I guess before I do that, what I want to do right now is, let's say for instance we want to maybe we got a new person in our WhatsApp and we want to add that person. You can actually edit this one that you already got here to add that particular person. To do it is really very simple. You can just go to these 3 dots that we have in here, and you can click on broadcast list info. You can do that from there, and you see a place where we'll have something like edit recipients right here. Okay, so I don't know whether you guys are actually seeing that very well. So there is a place that says edit recipients. So I want to click on that, and it's going to open up this page for me. This is my contact list, so I can add more persons if I want. And let's go ahead and then click on this check mark right here to save that. Okay, so I have that saved into that place. So we now have like 6 persons if you take a look at the tab right here. Okay, so that's just how you can actually add more persons if you want. Then after that, I want to go back. Let's say for instance we want to change the title of this list that we have here, because we have untitled list right here. It's really very simple. We can go to this 3 dots right here and then click on change broadcast name, and we can name it right here. So for instance, let's say this is going to be course. Sorry about that. I don't think I really finished what I was typing. Course alert. Okay, so we have course alert. I'm going to just click OK, and that has been saved, guys. So that's just how to name the course. What is it called? The broadcast list. Okay, so every time if we go back in here right now, you're going to notice that we have a broadcast list that is at the top of this place that says something like a course alert. So, and I have some people inside. If you open it, you see you get some information. Okay, so anything I do within this particular place right now, let's say I want to send a message, all of them are actually going to receive it. So this is just basically how to create it. What is it called? A broadcast list on WhatsApp. And if you want to delete it, you can click on here. You go to where it says more. Not there. So let's go to broadcast list info, and if you scroll down at the bottom right here, you can actually delete this if you don't want it. Okay, you can delete that, but we don't just want to delete that right now. Let it just be there. So this is how to create a WhatsApp what is it called, a WhatsApp broadcast list, and you can add people that are interested in a particular thing, and you can allow them. Maybe you have a YouTube channel that every time you release a video, you want to go ahead and alert people that are within your WhatsApp to go and check the videos out. And you can put the link of the video within the text message that you want to actually send them, or the chat right there, and then they can click and then go to the video and then watch it. Okay, so it's actually something really very nice if you want to do that. So this is how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, feel free to subscribe and you should also like the video so that the video can get to more hands. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.